Hello, Professor McEwen here, and of course our topic is how to prepare for a module exam for your summer class, United States History 1865 to the present. So this is just a little short video, but I'm very confident that you're going to do well in this class because traditionally speaking, I've seen in my experience is students who take summer classes generally are the better students. But do understand, you're going to be required to learn what a student in a fall or spring class that's 16 weeks long, and you're only going to do it in 6 weeks. So, how to prepare. So when you see quizzes and exams, you'll see that your first module exam, Growing Pains, Reconstruction, New Southwestern Expansion. This is based on the first two chapters, 16 and 18. You're thinking, well, why not 17? Well, the book's author, she, goes into a different topic, but I think it's better to do Reconstruction followed by the New South because it'll make better sense for you, the student. So, how to prepare? Well, first go to the content section, and in the content section, what you're going to look for is module exams. So here we see Module 1, Growing Pains, Reconstruction, New South and Western Expansion, 1865 to 1900. Now, your exam is going to be 50 questions of multiple choice. So to help prepare you for this, you will see that there is a PDF document, which is an outline and also used as a study guide. So you could download this, but just for purposes to show you. And what you need to know is everything that you see that is written here and what it means. Don't just say, like, it's planned 10%. Do not just study the outline, because you're going to not do well on the exam. You need to know what these things mean. These are basically the various terms and how things such as like the 13th Amendment was a proposal, what was like the Senate vote, House vote, what it had to do fight for ratification. But more importantly, what was the 13th Amendment? Now, also, you could use this as you're reading along in the signed textbook. The other thing that you can do is, going back, is to listen to the lecture video. Now, I cover everything and then go into more detail than what you'll see in the textbook. Now, these lecture videos are YouTube videos. They're all closed caption. And when we go and click on it, and what we will see is this is like 46 minutes long. We will focus on the era of Reconstruction. Now, this is like 46 minutes long, as I said. So you need to prepare and set aside almost 2 hours a week, or sometimes 3 hours a week, because some of these quizzes, as you will see, are actually more than 2 chapters. They could probably be 3 chapters as well. And when we get to World War II, that's more of a greater in-depth study. But that's how the best way to prepare. What other students have done is they made 3x5 cards. These are what students have shared with me that help them prepare and make A's in the class. But it does take time. It does take time. So you are going to have to set aside at least 15 hours a week if you hope to achieve a great deal of success for this class. But if you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me via email through the class, and that's, of course, right here in the little envelope here, or see me during my office hours. Let's have a good summer.